Ubak Prestone Tensong sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ulang bagi United Democratic Party UDP kadai ke paralok be jantam bat kendang beteng bani īatreilang. Kani ke jubah bak Prestone bodai nongelam ke National People's Party NPP kadai halor ke Cinggali la ke UDP kan syak weng no nak Sorkar MDA 2 dagi lat patai khubor ke jan miat arflai trek julieu arjar arflai. Kani ke pang Cinggali ke lami halor ke Cingkano nak liang ki nongelam ke UDP ki belak keno bak Prestone udai nong betha ban pengkelam ke Executive Committee Pelam Kemat dari UDP, Hakasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Dangshen.
Has alleged that one of the conditions that the PDF has put forth while merging with the NPP is to oust him as the CM of KHDC. Is it true?
No, I think out of frustration, out of discontentment, any leader, when they reaches to this situation, sometimes they tend to talk like this, okay? Blaming others. He does not accept that maybe the mistake starts from him. So it always happens. Like, a person who lost election, they will not blame that I lost election because of my mistake. They will say, they spent money, blah, 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 this. And because of he done this, he done this, he done this. So that is always the system that we have here.
So what will what is the mind of the government regarding the post of a nominated MDC in KHDC since the UDP EC has collapsed? Will he continue from the...
See, for that, please don't ask for me, because again, the initiative has to be taken by the EC of the KHDC. So as of now, nothing of that kind of proposal sent to the government or to me. So I cannot say anything about that.
In the UDP and the NPP, how do you intend to handle it?
No, I've already replied. The present dispensation, as far as state government is concerned, we are all intact, and then we are all committed. We will complete the whole term of 2023 up to 28.
We don't want UDP to be out of MDA second.
They are our closest friends. So we will continue, we will see together.
Dr. Dipankar Das, DM Cardiology, MD Medicine, nak Swagat Hospital Guwahati, undon hanong ba Shillong, haka arba South Rig Ujilio, Arhajar Arpulai, na duak kapor katway baje Minstep, Howardland Hospital. Undon ru haka si sajan kabasaw, man lau benai. Kino gibran jing pangklong snam, kilaban wan silok yu. Call how number, kandai not, pra kandai, not kandai, nyo kandai, not nyo.